In the midst of modern life, many of you are probably used to walking into a supermarket, picking up a few kilograms of fruit, a bunch of green vegetables.
But behind these seemingly familiar products lies a colossal journey.
A place where millions of tons of agricultural products are harvested.
Expenses. In today's video, I want to invite you to look back at that harvesting journey.
The winter harvest demands resilience, a testament to global food supply chains.
The annual production of radish reaches around 7 million tons, accounting for approximately 2% of the world's total vegetable production.
For harvesting, workers bend over each row, manually pulling the radishes out of the ground.
The freshly pulled roots are gathered, tied into bunches, and stacked right on the planting beds.
When the quantity is large enough, they bring plastic crates to collect all of these bunches.
After leaving the field, the bunches of radishes are placed on trucks and transferred directly to the nearby packaging area.
Precision is key in packaging, ensuring consistent product quality for consumers.
Sealing the freshness, a crucial step before distribution. The final step, preparing for their journey to the consumer.
Next, we move to the onion fields.
Onions are left to dry in the sun before being gathered.
This process hardens their skin and prepares them for storage.
In the processing plant, dirt and loose skins are removed.
Workers carefully inspect the produce to ensure quality.
Finally, the onions are bagged and ready for shipment.
Let's travel to an apple orchard in full bloom.
Apple harvesting often relies on careful manual labor. Each apple is picked gently to avoid bruising.
Careful placement preserves the quality of the harvest.
The bins are quickly transported to the packing house.
Water flumes gently transport and clean the apples.
A final rinse ensures every apple is spotless and gleaming.
Optical sorters analyze each apple for size, color, and defects.
Only the best apples make it to the fresh market. In the Mediterranean, the olive harvest is a time-honored tradition.
Modern harvesting uses tree shakers to quickly gather the fruit. The olives fall onto large mats spread beneath the trees.
Teamwork is essential to efficiently gather the precious olives.
The olives are quickly collected, ready for their transformation into oil.
At the mill, the olives are washed and prepared for pressing.
They are crushed into a paste to extract the precious oil. The result is pure, cold-pressed olive oil, known as liquid gold. Moving on to a staple crop, the potato harvest requires heavy machinery.
The harvester separates the potatoes from the dirt and vines.
Workers remove any remaining rocks and debris by hand. A steady stream of potatoes fills the truck, a bountiful harvest.
Potatoes are stored in climate-controlled facilities to last through the winter.
Before reaching consumers, they undergo rigorous cleaning.
Every potato is inspected, ensuring only the finest quality reaches your table.
Carrot harvesting is a fascinating mechanical process.
The machine lifts the carrots by the leaves and shears them off.
A cascade of fresh carrots, ready for their next journey.
The carrots are thoroughly washed to reveal their bright color.
Advanced sensors eject any defective carrots instantly.
They are then packaged and sealed for freshness.
In the American Midwest, corn harvesting is an operation of massive scale. The combine strips the ears from the stalks in seconds. The kernels are separated and collected in the grain tank.
The harvest is complete, and the valuable kernels are on their way.
The corn is transported to silos for drying and long-term storage.
Wheat, the foundation of our bread.
Fleets of combines work together to clear massive fields.
The precise cutting mechanism ensures every grain is captured.
The machine separates the grain from the chaff as it moves. The golden grains flow freely, a testament to a successful harvest. In regions famous for wine, the grape harvest is a delicate affair. Sittings. Many premium grapes are still harvested by hand. Each precious cluster is placed gently, preserving its integrity. For larger vineyards, specialized machines gently shake the grapes from the vines. The gentle shaking ensures the berries are collected without damage. The harvested grapes are immediately transported to the winery to begin fermentation.
Processing tomatoes are harvested by specialized machines that sort the fruit.
The plants are shaken, and the red tomatoes are separated from the green vines.
Onboard optical sorters discard any green or damaged tomatoes. A vibrant cascade of ripe tomatoes, destined for delicious meals.
At the processing plant, the tomatoes are washed and prepared for canning.
They are quickly cooked and processed into sauces and pastes.
In modern greenhouses, strawberries are grown at waist height for easy picking.
Workers pick only the ripest berries, handling them with extreme care.
Some farms even employ robots to assist in the harvest and transport.
Cranberries require a unique harvesting method.
the wet harvest.
Machines churn the water, knocking the berries off the submerged vines.
The buoyant berries float to the surface, creating a sea of red.
Workers corral the berries and pump them into waiting trucks.
In Asia, rice is a staple crop grown in flooded paddies.
Planting is often done by hand, requiring back-breaking labor.
When the rice turns golden, small mechanical harvesters are brought in.
The precious grains are collected, ready for their journey to the mill. The harvested rice must be dried in the sun before milling.
Almond harvesting involves shaking the entire tree.
A violent vibration drops the nuts to the ground in seconds.
The almonds are swept into windrows to dry in the sun. A harvester then picks them up for processing. Peanuts grow underground and must be dug up for harvest. The plants are inverted to expose the peanuts to the sun for drying. Once dried, a combine separates the peanuts from the vines.
Harvesting leafy greens like lettuce is a highly coordinated team effort.
Each head is cut by hand and inspected for quality.
With swift precision, the freshly cut lettuce begins its journey. The lettuce is packed into boxes right in the field.
Pineapple harvesting is tough manual labor due to the spiky plants.
The fruits are placed on a boom conveyor that leads to a collection bin. A bountiful harvest, ready for transport to markets worldwide. Cotton harvesting uses massive machines to strip the fluffy fibers from the plants. The spindles swiftly gather the fibers, a marvel of engineering. The modern machines compress the cotton into large, easily transportable modules.
Sugar beets are harvested by large machines that lift them from the earth.
The dirt is shaken off before they are loaded into trucks.
From the fields, the harvest moves to massive logistics centers.
Refrigerated transport ensures the produce stays fresh during its journey.
A global network of transportation brings the harvest to our cities. Early in the morning, the produce arrives at wholesale markets.
Before finally reaching the supermarket shelves.
Where it is presented to us, fresh and ready.
The end of a long, incredible journey.
A journey of hard work and dedication.